Walang sound system. Yes guys, andito ngayon tayo sa Alitagtag. Batangas. So may tugtog tayo ngayon. It's a house blessing this Sunday afternoon. Lang may konti tayong problema. Walang sound system. Hindi inform may pa-event na may sound system dapat pagtutugtog kami. So ito yung problema namin ngayon. Walang sound system sa event. Hintay namin yung may pa-event kaso wala pa. So bahala na si Batman mamaya. Walang sound system. Ano kaya magiging tanong namin ito kung lip sync ang aming tugtog. Sound system namin guys. Portable Bluetooth karaoke. Ang lakas, grabe. Hindi marinig kung nasa kabilang table. Imagine kabilang table pa lang yan. Hindi kami marinig. Ano daw yung sinasabi namin? Ayun ang problema. Pero ayos lang, as performer, kung ano yung nandyan, pagtsagaan, kung ano lumabas, bahala sila. Basta mahalaga may budget.
Sa unang buga.
So, alright, and it's our second set. And again, thank you so much po sa pagdating sa birthday celebration ni Ma'am Richie, and of course on their house blessing. And may mga food pa po. Please do enjoy our early dinner. Your early dinner as well. And sa mga gusto po makikanta, lapit na po kayo. It's for free. different ways to you. Somewhere deep inside you know that I love you, 'cause I never you've come walking my way. And I said, hey, I love you till the morning comes. Ooh. And I said, hey, I'll kiss you in the morning sun. Now it's not the right time to get serious. Now it's not the right time. Now it's not the right time, baby. I don't wanna see you mysterious. Every time it's on my brain, forever set myself on you. But whenever you come walking my way, and I said, hey, I love you till the morning comes. And I said, hey, I'll kiss you in the morning sun. Love you more than words can say. Love you more in every way. The love I share is all so strong. I'm gonna live on the road. But whenever you come walking my way, and I said, hey, I love you till the morning comes. And I said, hey, I'll kiss you in the morning sun. 'Cause whenever you come walking my way, I say,
Everything that I possess, I gladly sacrifice.